Hi friends that follow Asociación Mujer Canaria Siglo XXI, that follow me in my project. Well, as you probably noticed, I've been posting in Instagram and the web videos, interviews, opinions, and all types of things. But now it's your turn. I want you to give me your opinions, your ideas for a change, a better world, how we can get to an equal world where equality in gender is a real thing. I want your experiences with this equality and equality. What's equality for you? What's this equality? And all these questions. All your opinions, all your ideas, I want them. So I'm gonna leave down here a link where you can send every video of every idea, of every opinion you have. And that's how we all can make the change. Because this project is from all of us. And we all together are gonna make this change possible. So let's go for it.